Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some interesting and simple hairstyles. So tie the hairs like this on the back, join it one by one and make the plaits like this. After that we will fix all the hairs together and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the back. Now take few sections of the hairs in the front like this and then make the plaits by taking these hairs from the front, join it together till the end. Now at the back we will make the plaits on the hairs like as shown in the video. Join the hairs. After you are done with the plaits on the back, we will join all the hairs together like this by dividing the hairs into two parts and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail like this. Now divide the hairs into three parts. Now take the middle part and then tie the rubber bands on it in equal distance. Now take the hairs from the sides and fix it inside the sections like this. Using this hairstyling tool, follow the same step one more time. Fix it from the bottom and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs. First comb it properly, divide it into two parts. Now join them on the back one by one like this. Now at the sides, we will make the plaits as shown in the video. After that, we will tie all the hairs together. And after you are done with the hairs like this, we will divide it and make the plaits. Now fold them upward and fix it together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. Now fix the thread on the hairs like this. Use different color of the threads and fix them using this hairstyling tool. Watch the steps how we are tying. Now divide the hairs into two parts and then fix the threads on the hairs by making the plaits. Take the hairs from the sides. At the end, we will tie all the hairs together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. Now divide it into two parts and make the plaits on each part like this. For making the plaits, we will take the hairs from the sides and the back as shown in the video. It will give the lining effects to the hairs. Now follow the same process for the other side as well. After that, we will join the hairs together and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.